Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about face framing layers haircut ideas. These haircuts are perfect for adding style, volume and a youthful look to your hair. Face framing layers can make your features stand out and give your hair more movement and texture. Let's start with medium length layers. Medium length haircut with soft layers around the face are very popular. They help to highlight your eyes and cheekbones and create a fresh, balanced look. You can style them straight, wavy or with curls. This haircut is perfect for everyday wear and suits almost face shape most. Next, let's talk about long layered haircut with face framing pieces. If you have long hair, adding layers never your face makes your hair look lighter and more lovely. It prevents long hair from looking heavy or flat. You can create soft layered blend with your natural hair flow. This style works well with straight, wavy or curly hair. Now let's discuss the short bob with face framing layers. A bob with soft layers around the face looks modern and stylish. It adds a youthful vibe and gives volume to fine hair. You can make it slightly textured for a trendy and chic look. This haircut is perfect for women who want something neat, elegant and easy to maintain. Another great idea is the layered shag haircut. Shag haircut have more texture and movement. Adding face framing layers softness your features and gives a relaxed, playful look. Shags work are short, medium and long hair lengths and are ideal for natural waves or curls. This haircut is trendy and gives your hair a fresh appearance. Let's talk about bangs with face framing layers. Side swap bangs or curtain bangs combined with layers instantly refresh your hairstyle. They highlight your eyes, balance your facial features and add a youthful touch. Make sure your bangs blend naturally with the layers for a smooth, flattering look. Now a few styling tips to keep your face framing layers looking amazing. Use a light hair serum or styling cream to reduce frizz. Blow dry with a round brush to add volume near your face. Curling or wavy the layered stringly can give extra movement and softness. Regular trims are important to maintain the shape and keep the layers look fresh. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.